New Year's Eve is a tricky one to get right, but relax. The Resident has picked out some of London's best New Year's Eve parties to ensure 2018 starts on a high. Image copyright the trustees of the Natural History Museum, London. 1 Natural History Museum Under the Sea Bash. Rain in the New Year at the Natural History Museum's Under the Sea themed bash. Hosted in collaboration with Guilty Pleasures, the UK's biggest and boldest celebration of contemporary and retro pop, the event was inspired by the new Blue Whale, Hope, in the redeveloped Hinds Hall. As well as a silent disco, albingo and mass OK, a mass sing-along to live indie, rock and pop hits with the lyrics up on screen. You can also create your own message in a bottle and explore the Dinosaurs Gallery. The bars will be serving ocean-themed cocktails, and the decor will transport you to an underwater fairy tale. Tickets are £129, £116 for members. Cromwell Road, South Kensington, SW7 5BDNHM.ac.uk. 2 Sky Gardens Great Gatsby New Year's Eve Party into the New Year 1920s style at the iconic Sky Garden this New Year's Eve. Perfect for viewing the fireworks across the Thames as well as dancing the night away. Sky Gardens event is a can't miss. The chic Gatsby dress code and decked-out space will transform you to the age of flappers and prohibition. Live followed by a DJ late into the night is a guarantee this party isn't going to end early. 20 Fenchurch Street EC3M8A of Sky Garden, London. 3 New Year's Eve at the Roof Gardens. The Roof Gardens in Kensington has cultivated an event ensuring this is a New Year's you'll never forget. They aim to transport you to the Hollywood Hills for a night of glamour. From renowned DJs and specialty cocktails to a live band, canapes and a gourmet item from the barbecue grills, the night is of drinks, foods and fun. Tickets are priced at £120 for club members, with standard tickets costing £160. 99 Kensington High Street W85SA Virgin Limited Edition.com. For New Year's Eve at Jimmy's Winter Lodge, head over to South Bank and enjoy a winter feast, cocktails and a spectacular view of the fireworks. Choose from sitting in their famous globes that give the best view of the fireworks, the upstairs refuge restaurant and the bar area. 4 globes are available for a gourmet winter feast for a 5-course menu, arrival cocktail, beer and wine all evening, and costs £3,000 per snow globe, which seats up to 10 people. Enjoy warm fondue on the cold winter night as well as a selection of canapes. The winter feast consists of mulled wine, cured gravlax salmon, smoked goat's curd and game terrine on brioche, followed by the traditional alpine fondue served with a selection of artisan charcuterie, new potatoes and bread. The tickets are priced at £30 and include 1 arrival cocktail, food, beer and wine all evening along with bubbles at midnight. South Bank Centre, Belvedere Road, SE18XX. Jimmy'sLodge.com. 5 New Year's Eve at the Shard. Dance to your heart's content this New Year's Eve at the tallest building in London, the Shard. Enjoy a complimentary cocktail and experience DJ Santero as you take to the dance floor. There's nothing more picture-perfect than the 360-degree views and a glass of champagne when the clock strikes midnight, making the first few moments of 2018 ideal. The event begins at £2,200 and the tickets are limited and cost £199. 32 London Bridge Street, SE19. The View from theshard.com. New Year's Eve at the Roof Gardens. New Year's Eve at Jimmy's Winter Lodge, the Shards. New Year's Eve partering in the New Year at the Natural History Museum. Photo the trustees of the Natural History Museum, London. New Year's Eve at Sky Garden. 6 New Year's Eve at the Ritz. The Palm Court transforms into a glamorous 1920s themed black tie event for one night only this New Year's Eve. There will be a 4-course meal created by executive chef John Williams MBE, and you can toast the new year with a glass of Krug champagne. To start off the night, a 14-piece military marching band will escort you into the Ritz restaurant. The entertainment for the night continues with El the Pocket Bell singing vintage swing and modern-day classics accompanied by a 3-piece band. The traditional S of bagpipes from the Lone Piper will also be included in the entertainment. As the clock strikes midnight, you can their firework display over the garden before dancing the night away in the Ritz restaurant to the S of the New Atlantic's 9-piece live band. The event is priced at £895 per adult and £445 per child. 150 Piccadilly W1J9B Arthur. It's London.co7. London New Year's Eve fireworks this year. After a hiatus from hearing Big Ben's bells ring, the New Year's Eve fireworks kick off with the legendary. Tickets have been instated the last couple years due to the immense amount of interest in the fireworks. Get your tickets and ensure a spot to see the show up close and personal and a ring in 2018 in the most festive way possible. The show is enjoyed by over 100,000 people as well as being aired for many more to see. Tickets are priced at just £10. Victoria Embankment, Westminster SW1A2NS London.gov.uk 8 The Blitz Party by Bourne Hollingsworth. Step into an authentic British air raid shelter complete with sandbags, hurricane lamps, reconnaissance maps and blackout curtains for this lavish 1940s themed party hosted by Bourne Hollingsworth. Dress up as a uniformed soldier or victory-curled lady and dance to live with lavish cocktails in hand all night long. And beware, the Blitz Party operates a strict 1940s dress code. Denheim may be acceptable in the munitions hall and trainers do squeak nicely in the gymnasium, but that is where they should remain. Go hard or go home with this immersive New Year's Eve celebration. Tickets from £55, bunker opens 9 p.m, floor show and entertainment from 9:30 p.m, optional dance class from 8 p.m. Village Underground, 54 Holywell Lane EC2A3PQ. TheBlitzParty.com 9 The London New Year's Eve Ball at Battersea Evolution. The London New Year's Eve Ball, this year themed Après 2017, will transform Battersea Evolution into an alpine wonderland. The après-ski party kicks off with sparkling wine, canapes and live entertainment before a 4-course meal with winter favorites like pumpkin and ricotta-filled gnocchi and roast Surrey Farm sirloin of beef. After dinner the party really starts with dodgems, alpine games, entertainers, contortionists and aerial acrobats while the DJ keeps the dance floor for hours. London's world-famous firework display will also be live-ed, and transport options include free parking, a dedicated black cab rank and a free shuttle bus to London Victoria after midnight where you can hop on the free night tube. Tickets are £180 pp. Battersea Park, off Queenstown Road SW84NW Smartgood Group Ltd.co.uk 10 The Lost Palace of Atlantis at 8 Northumberland. Discover the Lost Palace of Atlantis at 8 Northumberland this New Year's Eve. Tables are adorned with treasures of this underwater world, pearl-crusted and shimmering. The keepers of the palace serve a grand banquet, drinks flow into sparkling glassware and the night fills with. The evening kicks off with a champagne and canopy reception, followed by a 4-course dinner and unlimited wine, beer and soft drinks all night. There'll be a live party band, followed by DJ, and you'll have a spectacular view of the famous London fireworks from Northumberland Avenue. Oh, and there's a free photo booth to capture the evening, as well as a glass of champagne at midnight, and breakfast rolls served at 12:30 a.m. Tickets from £250 pp. 8 Northumberland Avenue, Westminster WC2N, 5BY 8 Northumberland.co.uk The Blitz Party by Bourne Hollingsworth. The London New Year's Eve Ball at Battersea Evolution 11 The Prohibition Party by Bourne Hollingsworth. Step back to the age of loosening morals, soaring stocks and bootleg brands at the Prohibition Party, also by party legends Bourne Hollingsworth. Be transported back to the giddy magic of the Roaring Twenties, a time when footloose flappers danced the Charleston, card-sharp cads tried their luck at the roulette table, and everyone quaffed free-flowing bootleg booze. Held in a secret central London location, the Prohibition Party features multiple themed rooms teeming with live DJs on gramophones, gambling, dancing troupes and cocktails. You can also opt to take a 1-hour dance class with Swing Patrol. Tickets from £55. Prohibition1920s.com 12 New Year's Eve at Duck and Waffle. Head over to Duck and Waffle this New Year's Eve for a night of delicious canapes, cocktails, and Duck and Waffle's famous views. You'll be welcomed by a Duck Waffle cocktail and a selection of canapes. Make sure to take a break from all the eating and drinking and dance to the DJs that will be spinning all night. In the mood to eat early and pop over to another event? Duck and Waffle has you covered with their early dining ticket and vice versa with their late dining ticket. Enjoy decadent dishes including their Dorset crab, Marmite glazed ox cheek and chocolate fondant for a sweet end to 2017. Standard tickets £125 pp. Early dining tickets £195 pp. Late dining tickets £325 pp. 110 Bishopsgate EC2N4AY duckandwaffle.com 13 Thames New Year's Eve Cruises 2017. Hit the high seas this New Year's Eve and experience the fireworks from the best possible viewpoint. The 4-hour cruise will include a buffet with dinner and dessert, prosecco at midnight and a bar on board. A DJ and disco entertainment will be provided on board to keep the party going through the new year. At midnight, toast the arrival of 2018 with a glass of sparkling wine while listening to Big Ben ringing in the new year, ending the spectacular fireworks display from your floating grandstand. The cruise, starting at Millbank Pier at 8:30 p.m., is priced at £136 pp. and finishes at 12:30 a.m. RiverThamesCruises.co.uk 14 South Bank Centre's Vintage Extravaganza. Go back in time this New Year's and experience the 20s, 30s and 40s come to life with decorations and food all to theme. The South Bank Centre's Royal Festival Hall will transform into 5 floors ranging from nightclubs and dining rooms to a vintage hair and beauty salon. Venues included are the Torch Bar Bonkers, the Tiki Bar and the Studio. Overlooking the London skyline on the Royal Festival Hall Terrace, it's the ideal location for the fireworks light up the city. Entertainment includes live act Alex Meetham, his 18-piece orchestra, multiple DJs and even the top jive dance teacher Andrew Hall, who will teach people the basics of jive dancing throughout the night. Tickets from £99. Dining tickets are available for an additional £85 and buffet tickets for an additional £35. Belvedere Road, Lambeth SE18XX southbankcentre.co.uk. Mingle with the most stylish reprobates at the Prohibition Party and join Eye on the River with Thames New Year's cruising and New Year's Eve at South Bank Centre. Photo Neil Buck and Grant. Enjoy dinner with a view of the fireworks at Duck and Waffle 15 Party into 2018 package at K West Hotel and Spa. Enjoy a stress-free New Year's Eve and let K West Hotel take care of all the logistics of the big night. Their New Year's Eve package includes a 5-course tasting menu with a glass of champagne on arrival, and a late-night drink to bring in the new year. Guests will not have to worry about the taxi ride home as the package includes an overnight stay, a cooked breakfast at Studio Kitchen on New Year's Day and late checkout at 1 p.m. The Party into 2018 package is priced at £319. Richmond Way, Shepherd's Bush W140AXK West.co.uk 16 New Year's Eve at Flight Club. Fancy a more casual game night this New Year's Eve? Head over to Flight Club Darts for social darts, DJs, fireworks screening and champagne with their signature sausage rolls. Get a group of friends together for a darts tournament that will ensure you're laughing and smiling into 2018. The event will be held at both their Bloomsbury venue and their Shoreditch venue. The event is priced at just £15. FlightClubDarts.com 17 Sunborn Yacht Hotels Gatsby Party. Enjoy a night on the water with friends and family this New Year's Eve at the Sunborn Yacht Hotel. Celebrate with dinner and the best possible view of the fireworks, or stay the night in one of the 136 bedrooms on board. The night is Great Gatsby themed and will transport you to a time of glamour and prestige. The dinner package is priced at £130 pp. Includes 7-course dinner at Land's End including bottle of Laurent Perrier champagne per couple, with live band and DJ entertainment after the meal. The overnight accommodation package is priced from £305 pp, including a stay in a classic or executive room, 7-course dinner at Land's End including a glass of Laurent Perrier champagne, with live band and DJ entertainment after the meal. Sunborn Yacht Hotel E16 1DR sunbornhotels.com 18 The Black Cat Cabaret and Black Cat Ball. Choose from 2 celebrations this year with the Black Cat Cabaret and the Black Cat Ball. The early cabaret show is encompassed in 1920s surroundings of the Paradiso Spiegeltent at Underbelly's Leicester Square Pop-Up Festival. The show includes showgirls, acrobats, comic street singers, Ians and aerialists. Tickets from £29. Alternatively, the Black Cat Ball, starting later at the Paradiso Spiegeltent, features a cabaret show, a promenade circus spectacle, live from the Carnival Show Band Tankus the Henge and the Black Cat Dandy DJs. The dress code is gold, red or black and guests are encouraged to wear to the theme of silver screen sirens and dapper chaps. Tickets from £65 pp with a glass of bubbly. Leicester Square WC2H7DE Blackcat.info 19 Boysdale at Canary Wharf. Boysdale of Canary Wharf is providing a AL option for your New Year's celebrations this year. The event is a tribute to Frankie Valli and the Four Seasons. The West End jerseys are playing all of their greatest hits while serving a delicious 3-course meal and a glass of champagne. Looking to get dinner at Boysdale before heading to a party? Boysdale has a set New Year's menu priced at £49.50. The 3-course meal is paired with the magic of Dan Farrant, a notable magician who is sure to keep you entertained throughout the night. 15 Cabot Square, Canary Wharf E14, 4QT Boysdale.co.uk Flight Club's New Year's Eve Party. New Year's Eve at Boysdale. The Black Cat Cabaret Show. Enjoy a super stylish affair on board the Sunborn Yacht Hotel 20 Asia de Cuba's Cuban New Year's Eve. Switch up your traditional festive feast and pop into Asia de Cuba for their 1950s Cuban-themed New Year's Eve party. Complete with a 6-piece Cuban band and an array of dancers, the night is sure to be one to remember. You are served a glass of champagne on arrival, followed by a 5-course dinner and Cuban sandwiches at 12:45 am to keep you dancing all night long. The set menu includes Cuban favorites with a twist like steamed sea bass, plantain fried rice and tuna pica tartare. The menu is £135 pp. 45 St. Martin's Lane WC2N4HX MorganChittleGroup.com 21 Berners Tavern at the London Edition. Divulge in a luxury festive meal at Berners Tavern in the London Edition this New Year's Eve. Starters include favorites like Norfolk quail and cure salmon. Luxurious mains make Berners Tavern the perfect venue for celebrating, with options like Highland venison Wellington and lobster asado. Decadent desserts like the red velvet cake and the chocolate and hazelnut flaming Alaska ends the meal on a sweet note. The menu is priced at 5 courses with a champagne cocktail for £100 pp for the early setting and £185 for the late setting. 0 Berners Street W1T3NP BernersTavern.com 22 Hotel Café Royal's New Year's Eve package. Stay overnight at Hotel Café Royal and enjoy an 8-course dinner in the Domino with a welcome glass of champagne. The 8-course meal starts off with a bang with the salad of native lobster with fennel and green apple. The menu goes on to include delicacies like truffled brie with celery, apple and walnuts and tournedos of beef Perigordine. Dinner it is priced at £195 pp. The New Year's Eve package is priced at £888. 68 Regent Street W1B4DY HotelCafeRoyal.com